Hi there, I'm Michael Purser of Rosebud Company, and today we're at Highland Woodworking in Atlanta, Georgia. If you're a serious woodworker, you probably already know about Highland Woodworking. If you are an aspiring woodworker, I think it's somebody you need to put on your list. They're a great resource for tools, information, and a wealth of knowledge. Today, we're going to be focused on the type of wood that I work on, which is wood floors. And specifically, we're going to be talking about something that can create a lot of distress for homeowners, and that's the scratches that occur in the wood floors periodically. They become accustomed to their floors looking attractive, enhancing the value of the house, so when something happens that detracts from the attractiveness and the value of the house, then again, it creates a lot of angst. I want to show you some simple things about what you can do to help blend the scratch in with the surrounding wood. Now, I'm using a stain marker that is available at just about any hardware store. I'm shaking it up to mix it. You can try hardware stores, building supplies, paint stores. Now there's one thing I've learned, and you can already see from a previous application where when I made a direct application on the scratch right here, you can see the scratch actually got darker. So for that reason, what I encourage you to do is the way that I recommend, which is to take a rag or paper towel, and you take the stain and work it into the rag like this, get a little buildup, and then very slowly and methodically you just start rubbing over some of the scratches. What this allows you to do is you're now controlling the amount of stain getting down in that scratch. You'll have to reapply more to the paper towel or the rag like this. But again, I think this is a much safer way than to just take the applicator and make a direct application, which is what I did over here, and I'll duplicate it again just so you'll see the consequences. Again, this is with the stain going in the rag, and we're just going to work a number of these scratches, and it's much easier to get them blend in. And you see right there what happened. You actually took what was a scratch that was lighter than the wood, now it's darker. So you want to be careful that you don't create more of a problem in your attempts to try and deal with the problem that you've got. Now, as I said, this is for light abrasion. If this floor is in a high traffic area, if it's in a kitchen, right there at an entranceway where there's going to be a lot of movement in and out and the potential for liquids coming in contact with the floors, then we would follow this with a recoat. If this is in an area that gets very little traffic, such as a bedroom or a study or something where the activity level is much less, then I think you can see that this is probably going to suffice. So let's go over what we've learned. First of all, you want to get a stain marker, touch-up marker, and you want to use the paper towel or rag, glove up so you keep it off your hands. Work it in very carefully. You don't want to do this, just try and rush through it. You want to take your time because the end result is very, very nice, and you're saving yourself a lot of time, effort, and money. If you do need to put down coatings over this, I strongly recommend you get in touch with a professional who knows how to work with the coatings. Don't go out and start fooling around with these coatings on your own. You could take a bad situation and make it worse. So again, stain marker, rag, gloves, work it in, take your time, and I think that'll solve most of the problems that you've got, with the wood floors anyway. So again, my name is Michael Purser, Rosebud Company in Atlanta, Georgia. I've got a very good website where there's a lot more information about the services I offer and also just general information about wood floors, and that's www.rosebudfloors.com. Appreciate having the opportunity to talk with you about preserving, protecting, and enjoying your wood floors. Good day.